Maybe you have a rehearsal room or really a room that is well treated and too damped. So what we do is we create an artificial reflection which has a kind of room impression, and we can compress it to make it big. So we place a stone in the opposite of the drum set and point the mic towards the stone to get that reflection of the stone, which works pretty good. Let's listen to it. So now that we recorded everything, let's blend the signals together and see how it sounds. Kick, snare, drum. That's fun. You want to learn how to professionally mix and produce your music? The audio engineering course HOFA Audio Diploma makes it easy to do this online.